everyone! Welcome back to the Lingo Listen. I'm Emma, and I'm really happy you're here with us today.
Hey everyone, I'm Sam, and today we're talking about something very real, very emotional. Your first day at a new job.
That mix of excitement, nervousness, and a little bit of fear.
And that moment when you smile, but inside your mind is full of questions.
Like, will they like me?
Will I understand everything?
What if I make a mistake?
Yeah, that feeling is very real.
And today, we're going to help you feel more confident.
Help you speak naturally.
And most importantly, help you relax.
Because your first day should not feel like a nightmare.
Exactly. And before we continue, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone learning English.
Yes, learning is always better with friends.
So Sam, let's go back in time.
Okay, I'm ready.
Your first day. What do you remember first?
Honestly, I remember waking up very early.
Earlier than usual?
Much earlier. I think I woke up before my alarm.
That means you were really nervous.
Very nervous. I couldn't sleep properly the night before.
Same here. I kept thinking about everything.
Yes, your mind just doesn't stop.
What did you do after waking up?
I checked my clothes again and again.
Me too. I changed my outfit 3 times.
Because you want to look good.
But also feel comfortable.
Exactly.
And then comes that moment in front of the mirror.
Oh yes, that moment.
You look at yourself and you practice.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Again and again.
Trying to sound confident.
Even if you don't feel confident.
Emma, I even practiced my smile.
Really?
Yes, I didn't want to look too serious.
Or too nervous.
Exactly.
And then you leave your home.
That moment feels different.
Everything feels important.
Even small things.
Like the road, the weather, the people around you.
Yes, everything feels new.
And your mind keeps asking questions.
What if I say something wrong?
What if I don't understand?
What if they think I'm not good enough?
But here's the truth.
What?
Everyone feels like that on their first day.
Everyone, even confident people.
Yes, even them.
That actually makes me feel better.
It should. Now you arrive at the building.
This is the big moment.
You stop for a second.
Take a deep breath.
And say to yourself, okay, let's do this.
And then you walk in.
Slowly, carefully.
Looking around.
You see new faces.
People you've never met before.
And you wonder, who should I talk to first?
Usually your manager comes to you.
Yes.
And your heart starts beating fast.
But you don't need big words. Just say, good morning, I'm Emma. It's nice to meet you.
Simple, clear, polite.
And smile naturally.
Emma, what if someone speaks too fast?
Good question.
That can happen.
Yes, and it's okay. You can say, sorry, could you please speak a little slower?
That's very helpful.
And very normal.
Now comes introduction. Yeah, and that small comfort starts to change everything slowly.
You begin to breathe a little easier.
Your shoulders relax.
Your voice feels more natural.
And you don't think too much before speaking.
Yes, that overthinking slowly disappears.
Not completely, but enough to feel better.
And this is the moment where confidence begins.
Not big confidence, just small, real confidence.
The kind that grows step by step.
Emma, I remember something funny.
Tell me.
After a few hours, I started feeling comfortable.
That's good.
Too comfortable.
That sounds dangerous.
Yes, I forgot I was new.
What did you do?
Someone said, the system is down.
Okay.
And I laughed.
Why?
I thought it was a joke.
Oh no.
Everyone looked at me very seriously.
That must have been awkward.
Very awkward. I wanted to disappear.
What did you do?
I just stopped laughing slowly.
That slow stop is painful.
Very painful. painful.
But moments like this are normal.
Yes, everyone has them.
And later, they become funny stories.
That's true.
Let's talk about mistakes again.
Because they will happen.
Always.
Emma, people feel embarrassed when they make mistakes in English.
Yes, they feel shy.
They stop speaking.
And that's the problem. The best thing you can do is continue,
Even if your sentence is not perfect.
even if you feel unsure.
Because practice builds confidence.
And confidence builds fluency.
Emma, give us a strong sentence for this moment.
Okay, you can say, I'm still learning. Thank you for your patience.
That sentence is powerful.
It shows honesty.
And respect.
Now let's move to the afternoon.
The quiet part of the day.
Your energy goes down a little bit.
But your understanding goes up.
Yes, you start understanding more conversations.
More words start making sense.
You recognize faces.
You remember one or two names.
And that feels like a big win.
Emma, what if someone is very shy all day?
That's okay.
Really?
Yes, everyone has their own pace. You don't need to talk a lot.
Just talk a little.
Even one sentence is enough.
Even one question.
Growth is not fast.
But it is real.
Let's imagine another situation.
Okay.
You want to ask a colleague something.
You want to say something, but you feel shy.
You can start with, "Excuse me,"
Always a good start.
then say, "Can I ask you something?"
Very polite.
And then ask your question.
Simple and clear.
Communication is not about big words.
It's about clear words.
Now let's talk about listening.
Very important skill.
Good listeners learn faster.
Yes, because they understand more.
You don't have to speak all the time.
Listening is part of communication.
And when you listen carefully,
You learn how people speak naturally.
their tone,
Their expressions.
their rhythm.
Emma, I noticed something on my first day.
What?
I noticed people don't speak perfect English all the time.
That's true.
They pause, they repeat, they think.
Exactly. So you don't need to be perfect.
You just need to be real.
Now, slowly, the day is coming to an end.
The best feeling.
You look at the clock,
You think, I made it.
even if it was not perfect.
You did your best.
Now it's time to leave.
But before leaving, say something.
You can say, "Thank you, everyone. Today was great."
Or, I learned a lot today.
Simple, but meaningful.
Emma, those words leave a good impression.
Yes, very positive.
And then you walk out.
Slowly, but with a different feeling.
Not the same fear.
Not the same confusion.
Now there's a little confidence.
A little pride.
Because you faced your fear.
And you didn't give up.
Then you go home.
And think about everything.
The good moments.
The awkward moments.
And maybe you laugh a little.
Yes, because now it feels lighter.
Emma, can I say something important?
Of course.
Your first day does not define you.
That's very true.
It's just the beginning.
You grow every day.
And your English doesn't need to be perfect.
It just needs to be real.
Speak even if you feel unsure.
That's how you improve.
That's how you build confidence.
That's how you become fluent. Before we finish,
Let's remind our listeners.
say hello confidently.
Introduce yourself simply.
Ask questions.
Don't be afraid.
Make mistakes.
And learn from them.
And most importantly, be yourself.
If you enjoyed this episode,
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
and share it with your friends.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.